Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an important topic for men's health that can definitely be a little sensitive to talk about. But don't worry, we're all friends here. We're talking about simple changes you can make in your diet for better penis health. Now, when I say penis health, I'm not just talking about performance, I'm talking about keeping everything down there functioning at its best, because good blood flow and overall health play a huge role. So, if you're ready to learn about the foods you might want to cut back on, stick around. This is definitely something you won't want to miss. Alright guys, let's kick things off with a big one: processed meats. We're talking about those tasty but not so healthy culprits like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, you know the ones. Now I get it, they're delicious and convenient. But here's the deal. They're often loaded with saturated fat, cholesterol and sodium. And trust me, those things are not your friends when it comes to good blood flow. See, good blood flow is crucial for, well, obvious reasons. And when your arteries are clogged with these unhealthy substances, it's like trying to drive a sports car down a dirt road. Things just don't work as smoothly as they should, if you catch my drift. So, how do processed meats fit into all of this? Well, those saturated fats and cholesterol can build up in your blood vessels, forming plaque. This plaque narrows your arteries, making it harder for blood to flow freely throughout your body, including to your penis. And that's not all. Studies have actually linked a diet high in processed meats to an increased risk of erectile dysfunction. That's right, these tasty treats could be impacting your performance in the bedroom. Now, I'm not saying you need to banish bacon from your life forever, but moderation is key. Try swapping out processed meats for healthier protein sources a few times a week. Your heart and your penis will thank you for it. Next up, let's talk about those sugary drinks that might be sabotaging your health without you even realizing it. We're talking soda, sweetened juices, energy drinks, anything loaded with added sugar. Now, you've probably heard that sugar is bad for your waistline. And it's true, those empty calories can definitely lead to weight gain. But did you know that excess sugar can also impact your performance in the bedroom? Here's the thing, when you consume too much sugar, your body has to work overtime to process it. This can lead to a spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash. And those fluctuations can wreak havoc on your energy levels and overall health. What's more, over time, consistently high blood sugar can damage your blood vessels and nerves, including those that are crucial for sexual function. And that can increase your risk of erectile dysfunction. Plus, let's not forget about the connection between sugary drinks and weight gain. Carrying around extra pounds can also put stress on your cardiovascular system and increase your risk of developing health problems like diabetes, which is a major risk factor for ED. So, what's the bottom line? Cutting back on sugary drinks is a simple yet powerful way to improve your overall health and protect your penis health in the long run. Let's be real, we all love the crispy, crunchy goodness of fried foods. But here's the thing, those deep-fried delights are doing your body more harm than good. You see, fried foods are typically loaded with unhealthy fats called trans fats and saturated fats. And just like with processed meats, these fats can contribute to the buildup of plaque in your arteries, leading to poor blood flow. Think of your arteries like a network of pipes. When they're clean and clear, blood flows easily, delivering oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. But when those pipes get clogged with plaque, it's like trying to force a river through a straw. And this reduced blood flow can affect everything from your heart health to your brain function, and yes, even your sexual performance. In fact, studies have shown a direct link between a diet high in fried foods and an increased risk of erectile dysfunction. So what's the solution? Well, it's all about making healthier choices. Instead of deep frying, try baking, grilling, or roasting your foods. These cooking methods help you cut down on unhealthy fats while still delivering delicious flavors. Let's talk about everyone's favorite social lubricant, alcohol. Now, I'm not here to tell you to give up drinking altogether, but it's important to understand how alcohol can affect your health, especially when it comes to your performance in the bedroom. You see, alcohol can be a bit of a double-edged sword. On the one hand, a drink or two can help you relax and get in the mood. But on the other hand, excessive drinking can actually have the opposite effect, leading to erectile dysfunction. Here's why: alcohol is a depressant, and while it might make you feel more relaxed in the short term, it can actually interfere with the signals between your brain and your body, including the signals that tell your body to get, well, you know, ready for action. Plus, heavy drinking over time can damage your blood vessels and nerves, which can contribute to long-term erectile dysfunction. And let's not forget about the other health problems associated with excessive drinking, like heart disease, liver damage, and even certain types of cancer. So what's the key takeaway? Moderation is key. If you choose to drink, do so responsibly. Stick to the recommended guidelines. That's up to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. Let's talk about a sneaky culprit that could be affecting your penis health without you even realizing it. High sodium foods. You see, too much salt in your diet can lead to high blood pressure, which can have a negative impact on your sexual performance. Now, your blood pressure is the force of your blood pushing against the walls of your arteries. And when that pressure is consistently too high, it can damage your blood vessels, including the ones that supply blood to your penis. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to water your garden with a hose that has a kink in it. The water pressure builds up behind the kink, making it harder for the water to flow freely. Similarly, high blood pressure makes it more difficult for blood to circulate efficiently throughout your body. And just like clogged arteries can lead to heart problems, reduced blood flow to the penis can make it difficult to achieve and maintain an erection. In fact, high blood pressure is considered a major risk factor for erectile dysfunction. So how can you keep your sodium intake in check? Start by reading food labels carefully and choosing low-sodium options whenever possible. Cook more meals at home so you can control the amount of salt that goes into your food. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, taking care of your body is crucial for overall health and well-being, and that includes paying attention to your diet. By making simple changes to the foods you eat, you can support your body's natural functions and potentially improve your experiences. Take care and see you next time.